As default, Intellimix comes with two user accounts. One is the auto login and one is the administrator. The auto login user can be called anybody user without any superior rights. For example, snapshots which are created by the auto login user are not protected. In contrast, the administrator has superior rights. He has the power to adjust all settings for all users. While Intellimix Focus comes with only one user profile, Intellimix Pro gives you an unlimited amount of user profiles. But only the administrator can create new user profiles. To log in as admin, open the main menu, tap Login and select Administrator. The admin account is password protected. As soon as you select to log in as admin, a keypad is automatically shown for you to type in the password. Log in as administrator and afterwards select admin and then user management. Now you can create and name new users. Select a user from the list to change his or her password, delete a user, or set up restrictions for one or multiple users. To set up restrictions means to deny user access to certain settings. If a user is restricted, the user will not even see this option. For example, the administrator just restricted the snapshot setting. Now, as the restricted user, you can't see this option when being logged in. This way, to hide certain settings from less technically experienced users can be very helpful to improve their workflows. They get maximum safety while mixing. As admin, you can also use the admin software for Windows and Mac to manage snapshots and users via remote access.